Welcome to SmartCart YouTube channel. We analyze customers' feedbacks and share insights into what real buyers are saying, helping you make informed purchasing decisions.
Yeah, it sounds a little too good to be true, right?
Right, exactly. And hey, real quick, the product buy link is available in the pinned comment and description. And remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So our deep dive mission today is exploring a device that's just it's absolutely dominating its category right now.
It really is. We're looking at the WSR-YYCC handheld steam cleaner, specifically model LES TC2.
Which is currently the #1 bestseller in handheld steamers. I mean, over 30,000 units were bought just in the past month alone.
Which is honestly a staggering volume for a home cleaning gadget. I mean, to really understand why 30,000 people suddenly decided they needed this exact steamer right now, we have to look at how it intersects, like raw speed with a totally unique safety profile.
The specs are definitely eye-catching. This little machine packs 1,500 watts of power and heats up in just 15 seconds.
15 seconds is incredibly fast.
Right. It's faster than my microwave. Heating up that fast means this thing basically has the thermal transfer rate of an industrial boiler, but crammed into something you hold in one hand. It blasts steam at 221 degrees Fahrenheit or 105 degrees Celsius with 3 bars of pressure.
Yeah, and 3 bars is intense. To put that in perspective, that's about the same pressure driving water through a high-end commercial espresso machine.
Oh, wow, really?
Yeah, but instead of making coffee, you're, directing it right at your floor tile grout. And when water hits 221 degrees and is forced out at that pressure, it completely changes how it interacts with the physical world.
Okay, right, and that's the part I want to unpack.
Yeah.
Because how does shooting hot water at the floor actually replace like a whole cabinet full of traditional cleaning chemicals?
Well, instead of using toxic chemicals to poison bacteria or melt grease, you're using extreme thermal energy to literally shatter the physical grip the dirt has on your surfaces.
So it's just pure heat doing the work.
Exactly. The intense heat breaks the molecular bonds of stubborn grime, and the pressure instantly lifts it away. You're basically shaking the dirt loose at a microscopic level.
So because you're just using tap water and physics, there are 0 chemical additives, which means no toxic fumes, right?
None at all.
And no sticky chemical residue left behind for kids or pets to crawl through.
Right, you get heavy-duty sanitization without creating a hazardous environment in your home. But, I mean, applying 221-degree water to your house sounds incredibly chaotic if you can't control it.
Yeah, which brings us to the control system. So it has a 6-level adjustable touch control, a 1.25-liter tank, and it comes with this massive 16-piece accessory kit.
It's a huge kit.
Yeah, brushes, scrapers, nozzles, a cleaning cloth, even gloves. And it has a 6.6-foot hose and a power cord that's almost 5 feet. But wait, hold on. A 16-piece kit and 6 power levels. That sounds less like a convenient cleaner and more like a massive chore just to keep track of all the parts.
I know, it sounds like a lot to manage.
Like, am I really going to swap nozzles to go from detailing my tough car tire treads to delicately cleaning my living room curtains?
You actually might. And the reason it isn't a massive chore really comes down to the engineering of that water tank.
The 1.25-liter one.
Yeah. A 1.25-liter capacity is huge for a handheld device. It means you can tackle that heavy-duty car detailing in the driveway, swap a nozzle, drop the power level, and immediately move to delicate indoor upholstery without having to stop.
Oh. Because you don't have to refill it as often.
Exactly. With smaller steamers, you have to turn it off, depressurize the whole system, refill it, and wait for it to heat up again. Here, that seamless transition is what makes the 16 tools practical instead of just, a gimmick.
Okay, that makes sense. You aren't losing your cleaning momentum. But there's another surprising detail in our sources that caught me off guard.
The eco-friendly aspect?
Yes. This heavy-duty appliance holds a global recycled standard, or GRS, certification.
It's a very impressive certification to land. It means the manufacturer guarantees that at least 50% of the product is made from recycled materials.
That's great for a plastic-heavy appliance.
For sure. But the GRS goes beyond just the plastic casing. It ensures that safer chemicals are used throughout the entire manufacturing supply chain, and it mandates strict protections for worker well-being at the facilities where it's actually built.
It's removing toxic chemicals from your home, but also keeping them out of the manufacturing process.
Precisely. And it really makes you wonder, though.
Wonder what?
Well, if simply applying 221-degree water and pressure can effectively detail a grime-covered car tire and, sanitize a kitchen sink, it kind of makes you look under your kitchen sink and wonder how many of those plastic bottles of harsh chemicals we actually need in our daily lives. Like, what other daily chores could be totally revolutionized by just ditching them altogether?
It definitely makes you rethink your entire cleaning routine. And for those of you tuning in, take note. You've been listening to SmartCart YouTube channel, where we help you make informed decisions. If you get any help from the video, then hit that red subscribe button showing below and press bell icon for future videos notifications. You can also visit this channel and watch other videos for more useful gadgets, one product review at a time. We'll catch you next time.